Renovation of Panthers' $800 million stadium approved in Charlotte. Another bombshell news in the NFL world. Welcome to another video here on the channel. If you want to stay updated with the most important NFL news, just subscribe and leave a like so you won't miss any videos. Renovation of Panthers' $800 million stadium approved in Charlotte. Charlotte City has confirmed a significant investment of $650 million to renovate the Panthers stadium, securing their presence in the city until 2045. While the future of the Panthers on the field remains uncertain, it is certain that the franchise will continue its operations in Charlotte for the next few years. On Monday night, 24, a substantial $800 million renovation was approved for the team's stadium. This initiative not only ensures the Panthers' presence in Charlotte for the next 20 years, but also promises significant improvements for fans and the sports community. According to the details released, the city of Charlotte will commit $650 million to renovate the Bank of America Stadium, while David Tepper, the team's owner, will contribute the remaining $150 million. Since acquiring the franchise, Tepper has already invested over $117 million in the stadium. Additionally, he has agreed to allocate around $421 million for potential enhancements until 2045. Among the key changes planned for the renovation are an enhanced sound system, new scoreboards, restroom renovations, installation of new escalators, and introduction of new seats in the stands. External space improvements are also planned, aiming to offer a more pleasant and modern experience for visitors. Construction is scheduled to begin in 2026, with completion expected by 2029. Public funds for these improvements will come from hospitality fees, which will be applied to tourism-related infrastructure projects in the city. Implications of the renovation for Charlotte and the Panthers. This renovation not only reaffirms the Panthers' commitment to Charlotte, but also strengthens the city's position as a prominent destination for sports and cultural events. The Bank of America Stadium, after the planned upgrades, will be positioned as a modern and attractive center for football games and other events. For fans and residents of Charlotte, the renovations promise a first-class sports experience with updated and comfortable facilities. Moreover, the positive economic impact of these improvements is expected, contributing to the city's continued development as a regional sports hub. Thus, despite uncertainties on the field, the Panthers' stadium renovation represents a solid step towards a stable and vibrant future for the franchise and its fan base in Charlotte. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and leave your opinion about this news in the pinned comments.